Hello. Welcome to the Accessibility Toolkit app for Ecwid. Increase your revenue while being socially responsible. Key features: inbuilt text-to-speech for easy content accessibility. Fully responsive and customizable to meet your needs. Don't ignore disabled netizens and their potential. The digital revolution has made internet access easy for all age groups and abilities. Unfortunately, many e-commerce stores neglect this important market share, but our app adds value to your store and helps you gain market share by making your site accessible. Your website visitors can customize the site to meet their needs and conquer their disabilities. Features in action: text-to-speech, invert colors, increase/decrease font size, grayscale mode, highlight links, highlight titles, toolkit customization, mobile-friendly, easy installation. Become a part of our happy family and make your store accessible to everyone.